Hi guys, quick tips for those of you who are appearing for your ACCA exams. The first thing is to please take classes. Take classes from an approved learning partner like VG Learning Destination. Even if you're a qualified CA, you need to know the exam technique which ACCA requires. Thereafter, do each and every question from your practice and revision kit because that is something which is going to make you exam ready. The third thing would be to do lots and lots of question practice on the CBE practice platform prepared by ACCA, which simulates the real life exam. Fourthly, go through the examiner's report available on ACCA's website, which basically will help you learn from the mistake that other students have done in the past for the relevant paper which you are appearing for. And lastly, there are plethora of resources available on the ACCA's website in the form of study support resources. So please log on to the website and make use of these resources. That's it. Thank you. Good luck.